Yeah, it's already in record.
Zo hem kunnen vragen dan moet hier even dus te wachten. Dat ik zo terugkom. Wij brengen een paar minuten aan de...
Waar ga je nu naartoe?
Ik ga naar de markt, naar de vleesmarkt. Naar de vleesmarkt gaan ze veilen.
Thank you. So we're waiting for some guests here. Mukhang may problema siya, hindi siya makababa. Oh. Kadalasan kasi mga matatanda na sa kanila. Ganda ang lugar nila, no? So, maglalakad kami ngayon. Punta namin, follow namin. Ito, mga guests namin. He can't walk.
Yeah.
Hard time. Okay, nasan yung babaeng kasama natin sa tour? Okay, so ang ganda ng weather nila dito, malamig na. Nagsisinag yung araw. Parang Venice, Italy, no? Ganda. Tignan sa tour. Once in a lifetime. Ito ngayon pinabayaran ng guest. Para puntahan niya tapos libre. Hindi palalakasin mo pa. So that's me. Okay. Yun, lalakad tayo sa downtown. So, ito yung isang kurong babae. Taga Peru. Kuro rin siya. So, maganda yun. Meron kami taga-kuha ng picture. Kinukunan ko rin siya ng picture sa video. So, yun yung tour guide namin. Matanda. Ayos yan eh, mga sapatos nila. So meron silang train dito sa loob ng sabi nila. Ayan o. Daming gwapo. Ayun, isa pang train nila. First time in Belgium. Pag-uwi ko, bibili ako ng tuta. Asong kit o. Para may bantay sa bahay. So maglalakad-lakad kami ngayon. They gave us 1 hour to explore this city. So take some pictures. Kita ko yung clock ngayon. So maganda, no? It's in this place. Wow, very nice. So this is the place. This is the church that I'm talking. Yeah. The one with the big clock. So that's what I'm talking about. See? I'm in Europe. Europe, huh? This is Europe. So mahal yung mga bilihin nila dito. Actually, mura lang sa kanila kasi masahado naman sila ng euro. Pero mas lamang sa dollar yung euro, kaya talo kung bibili ka dito ng mga gamit or damit. Pwede mo naman mabili sa ibang lugar. So this is a nice place and nice to take a picture. Okay, turn this off cam. Okay, so babay muna ako, ha? Bye. Yun, nakita ko rin yung church nila, no? Ganda, no? Yung clock na nakita ko kanina sa bangka eh. So this is their church. Okay, can you take a video of me? Just for a little while. It's already recording.
Okay.
It's a very big church. Thank you. That's enough. Okay. So you can come closer then. We'll take a picture out there. Yeah? Ewan ko kung tama-tama ba yung mga grammar ko. Mali-mali na naman yung English ko. Hindi na malaga yun. Malaga, naiintindihan niya. So mukhang sarado yung simbahan nila. Parang ito yung pinaka-plaza ng Belgium. Bridge, Belgium. Okay? Saan pa ba pwede magpunta? Kita ko na itong lugar nito. Galing oh, may McDo sila oh. International. Do you want to go there? Yeah, in that yeah. In the church. It just look like church, you know? Because of their style of their buildings, yeah. Ngayon ko lang napansin, maganda pala yung angulo dito sa taas, oh. Kita yung simbahan nila. Oh, kita yung ano nila lahat. Pati yung train nila. Very nice. Oh, sayang yung mga hindi sumama ng tour. Pinalampas nila to. Yan ang mga napapala. That's why I like making my own decisions. Alright, would you like? Yeah, just tell me if you want me to take a picture of this place, you know, this corner. Yun. Natumbok ko rin yung maganda. Ito yung clock, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Para sa Quiapo lang. Joke lang. Pero ang ganda. Ganda. Yung mga pagsabing taga-Fladway, makapunta rin. Okay. What? We cross there? Okay. Okay, so ito yung mga estudyante nila, mga bata nila. Kano kayo siya sahod ng teacher dito, no? Ang laki siguro ng sahod ng teacher dito. So, naglalakad kami ng konti pang masisilayan, no? Bago bumalik. Sayang ang oras, eh. Diba? Ito yung mga estudyante rito, ha? Mga nagtutour din sila. Talagang tourist spot yung lugar nila. Ang ganda. Oh, so another main plaza I found it. Finally. It's a good, ano to, simbahan ba to? Ganda din tayo makapagpa-picture dito. Oh, ganda oh. So ito yung likod niya oh. Wow. Ganda. Natin kung anong oras na. Sister Love. Should be go back at 3 o'clock. So, picture muna tayo dito sa statue na to. Tsaka dito, tsaka dun sa simbahan. This is very nice place. Oh, this is nice. This is good. Ito, Alexander pa. Okay, puro sila nagtatayuan ng mga building dito ah. Okay. So, this is it. Nice picture. Pabalik na kami. Mahirap na. Baka maiwan. So, this is the Post Plaza. Europe na Europe talagang dating, no? Lamig. Wala akong makitang egoy ah. Bira. Yes, I really had a nice tour today. I enjoyed very well. It's worthy. Hindi ako nakapag-internet sa ibang sa labas, pero nakapag-tour naman ako. Bira lang kasi ito eh. Usually kasi pwedeng sumama ang crew kapag wala ka pang trabaho. Yung trabaho pa naman namin mamayang gabi. So, I make, see, I don't want to miss this chance. It's only for once in a lifetime. Okay, so hopefully bye-bye na. I have a lots of video. Sobrang init. Sinag na araw pero malamig yung ano, dumadampi yung yelo sa balat mo. Ito yung mga gusto nyo bibilat kumakain sa labas. Yung mga European coffee, Starbucks Starbucks up here. This puppy. So we should be heading 3 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
3 o'clock. Nice. I enjoy this tour, you know? Yeah, I like it, especially when we're in the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah. You never know, because I think this is the last Belgium, right? Do we still have Belgium? No. Yeah. Okay, so bye-bye muna. Still have time to rest. When we came back. So what are these? Oh. What are these? These are food market. Alright. So usually you can see there are lots of bikes here, right? So most of the Europeans, they like to use bike rather than the motorcycle in the Philippines. Alright. So I had another one country na pinuntahan. It's really. Have you seen those shoes hanging out there? Looks funny. Alright, so time to go back. Okay.
I don't remember where we saw like that too.
What? Is Peru is
No, in Europe. In
Europe?
Yeah.
Where
I'm thinking in Spain we saw that.
it's like that? The same like this? I've never been in Spain. I'd like to go there someday too. Is it the same like this? Kind of.
Spain,
All the textures,
it's more
graphics?
beautiful, I think. But it's kind of.
Ah, alright. Barcelona, Spain, yeah. They're the same port like that. Europe. Valencia? Wow, that's